Ladies, let your eyebrows be at least family. They may not be twins, at least let them be sisters or cousins, family, you know. But hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review W7 Brow Parlor palette. And yes, if you want to know how I got these bomb ass brows, keep watching, you guys. Mwah. So I got this brow palette at Esco Makeup, and that's how it looks inside. There's a brow wax, focus, I don't know if you guys can see it, and there's a highlighter, lighter brow powder, and a darker brow powder, and on the side there's tweezers, angled brush, and a brow comb. Yes, I already tweezed my eyebrows off camera and prepped my face and primed and everything. That's important. With a brow comb from the palette, I just comb my brows the way I want them to lay when I'm drawing my brows. Going in with my faithful brow pencil, Davis number 003, I just outline the bottom of my brow and the top of my brow, just following my natural brow shape. I call them faithful because every girl in Kenya who owns a pair of good looking brows has this pencil. I just can't live without it. I'm using brow pencil to outline my brows so that I can just get that clear shape of what I want my brows to look like. Then I'll use the brow palette to just fill the brow powder in. Go ahead and do the other brow and just follow that natural brow shape. Don't worry if you mess it up, you can always clean it up with a concealer. Then I let the brows meet at the middle. This makes it easier for me to just levelize the brow so that they begin at the same height or whatever, I don't know, but if you draw brows you just get what I'm talking about. I don't know how to explain that. Diving in with the brow palette, we're going in with the lighter brow powder and just filling that in. The brow powder is very lightly pigmented and it will take you some time to just fill it in and get your desired shade. Then we'll go in with the darker brow powder, fill that in. I know I'll be looking stupid right now, but when I am slaying in the streets, you won't even know who I is. Just wait. Now for the best part, concealing the brows, I'm using my Rimmel Finish 24-Hour Breathable Foundation and a good concealer brush. The foundation is lighter than my shade, so I can get away with it. you'll know if you mess this step up, you're basically starting afresh. So this and surgery is basically the same thing. Go back in with your favorite brow pencil and just correct where you accidentally corrected. It's your brow. You can't be walking out there with funny looking brows, let me tell you, by the way. If you talk to me and your brows be looking funny, 80% chance is that I'm not listening. I'm drawing your brows in my head, honestly. Let me just not lie to you. So do whatever you gotta do and make those brows how you want them to look.
What we do here is go back.
Then separate your unibrow. You see what I was talking about now? You see now, right? Go in with your concealer brush and just shed the tip of your brows, just to give it that natural looking fade. So I'm going to blend the concealer out with this cute blender of mine that I got from Esco Makeup. Look at it. Look at its house. It has a cute house. So this is the final look. I like it. It looks nice, and it's the kind of brows you put on daytime. The brow powder gives it a natural kind of brow looking. It's not very harsh. Damn, who is that on my video? Oh wait, that's me. Ow, I look so cute. Thank you guys for watching this till the end. If you like my hair, watch out for my natural hair videos. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. Pookie out.